right, let's wrap up intermediate Java. Today, we're building a real-world, working, personal diary app.
You know all the individual pieces. Now let's see how OOP, collections, and file handling actually click together.
First up, we use advanced OOP, stuff like abstract classes and inheritance, to build our diary's core logic.
Next, collections. Things like ArrayList and Hashtable will temporarily sort and store entries right in memory.
To keep the whole thing from crashing, we use try-catch blocks to handle errors like file-not-found exception.
And to prevent that UI from freezing, we use multithreading to keep everything running smoothly in the background.
But memory is just temporary, right? So we use file handling for permanent CRUD operations. Create, read, update, delete. Java relies on streams. Byte streams handle binary stuff like images, while character streams handle our text.
For reading entries, we've got a few options: FileReader, Scanner, or the incredibly efficient BufferedReader.
Honestly, skip Scanner for big files. BufferedReader acts like a conveyor belt, processing massive chunks way faster.
When it's time to save a new entry, we just write to our text file using FileWriter or BufferedReader.
But hey, super important, add true to FileWriter so you actually append entries instead of overwriting your whole diary.
Need crazy high performance? Java NIO steps up with non-blocking buffers and channels, unlike standard I/O.
So, quick question. What actually happens to our diary app if we forget to close those file streams?
It's bad news. You'll get resource leaks, corrupted data, and it totally locks the file from other apps. To safely close them, use a manual finally block, Apache Commons, or the try with resources statement.
Honestly, try with resources is a lifesaver. It automatically and elegantly closes files for you. No messy cleanup code.
And boom, our app is built. With modern Java 8 features in place, your intermediate toolbox is complete.
But wait, how does the Java virtual machine actually execute all of this code under the hood? That's exactly what we'll tackle next in Course 3, along with Spring Boot. Ready to uncover those JVM secrets?